Modere Axis Trebiotic, what is it? Can it really help you lose weight, help with that bloat? Is it going to help with the overall fog that you have in your mind? I'm going to answer all of these questions. And yes, I am a Modere rep, but I am a Modere rep because I absolutely love our products. But this one actually is my favorite product. And I'm going to explain to you exactly what it does, how you take it, and why it's my favorite product. So basically, it's a pre, pro, and post-biotic. It's the only one of its kind that has all three combined. And it comes in these little beadlets. And I'm going to show you right over here. You take 1 spoonful of it every single day. What I personally do is I take it with Modere's Trim, which is our CLA Fat Blaster, and I will link right over here for you a review that I did on Modere's Trim with some before and after pictures so that you can see. But I personally have taken Modere Axis Trebiotic with it, and what it's done for my bloat and my overall well-being, my energy, and my digestion is amazing. So like I said, it's a pre, pro, and post-biotic, and it's the only one of its kind that has all three together, all right? So it is supporting your brain health, your cognitive health, and your overall just feelings of digestion and healthy digestion. So how does it do this? So our gut has what we call our microbiome. And our microbiome, what they're finding, really needs to be very, very well endowed. It needs to have a very diverse microbiome. And what this does is it helps with your microbiome. It helps make sure that your body is able to digest. And one of the things that I love about this product is that your gut actually produces more serotonin than your brain. And your serotonin is your happy hormone. And so what they are finding is that people that have a healthy microbiome actually are producing more serotonin and inadvertently are feeling better, less anxious, less feelings of sadness. And so a lot of our mental health concerns can be resolved with our Axis Trebiotic because it can just help with your overall cognitive functioning. Now for my husband, what ended up happening is he had some digestion issues, and we never really realized that there were certain foods that were triggers, and we couldn't figure it out. And he'd say that he had this like burning sensation in his stomach. And since taking the Axis Trebiotic, he's definitely been able to digest his food much easier, much simpler. And if you are interested in getting started with either Modere's Trim, Modere's Axis Trebiotic, either both of them, what I've got for you is I've got a $10 coupon below in this video so that you can check it out, and there will be a $10 coupon off at checkout for you. But basically it is going to help diversify your microbiome, which is going to help with your overall well-being. So if you feel like you're lethargic, if you feel like you're a little bit foggy, if you feel like you don't have the energy that you wanted, definitely give this Axis Trebiotic a shot. Give it with your collagen. It's great for your collagen because it, as we age at over 30, we stop producing the collagen in our bodies. And so this collagen, Modere's collagen, actually has collagen and hyaluronic acid. And it is great for your overall skin, hair, nails, and joints. And so like I said, I've got a $10 off coupon in the description of this video for you to check it out. But I will tell you, putting 1 spoonful of this with 1 cup of the 1 serving of this has done amazing things. I personally lost several pounds because I was able to get rid of the bloat. So what happens is a lot of people that have what we call like sticky weight loss and they just can't seem to shed the pounds no matter what they do, it turns out that they probably have a gut problem, and this product is going to help with your overall gut health, which in turn allows your body to shed that extra weight that you have. So when I started personally taking the Axis Trebiotic, I immediately felt less bloat, and I dropped 2 or 3 pounds within a few days of being on the product. So there are many reasons, but this is actually, there are many products that I like, I should say, but this is actually my very favorite product because I know what it's done for me, I know what it's done for my husband's digestion, and I know what it can do for overall mental wellness for people, and that is why I love it. So again, there is a $10 off coupon for you in the description of this video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you never miss out.